and then paste it over the previous file name. Okay, my video, MPEG, Control V to paste, and then it's not a zip type of file, it is a text type of file, so I'm going to put in TXT, and the time and the day has to be corrected. It is the 26th, February 26th. The day of the week is Wednesday. So capital W, lowercase e and period. And the time of the day is 11:38. 11:38 a.m. And you read the rest. Now I got a complete file name, which I can then save in my notes. So file, save as, and paste the new file name over the old one. Cancel. Go back to copy the entire string, edit, copy, file, save as, and now paste the entire screen. In addition to that, I want to record from other devices. I'm going to make this notepad a little smaller so we can expose the MSN Recorder Max that's working in the corner here. And I'd like to see whether I can get the 360 camera to work also. So I double click the UCam, Cyberlink UCam, and see whether I can rotate the camera to gather another camera, but it seems like it doesn't work, so I'm going to take it out, disconnect it, and reconnect it. Then press the button above it to see if I can get it to work. I'm going to start rotating it. We'll see if it can use this 360 camera. Not yet. Oh, another thing I wanted to do, run PSAR, problem step recorder. So for problem step recorder, before I continue, I'd like to verify that the setting is to 999, which it is. Start a new recording and add a comment with the file name of MSN Recorder Max, or my complete file name in the notes. Now I want to rotate the camera to see which other, rotate the webcam software to see whether I can get which cameras I can get to work right now. Okay, this is the Microsoft one. Which one is this one? Okay, this is the one here. Okay, let's see. Let's start with the glare and aim it better. So this will be the camera that I will get here. To demonstrate, this is the neck, wallet, red wallet, phone, and badge holding lanyard. So we will record it from here, and then I may raise it up. Then in addition to that, I want to make another recording with the webcam Max. I'd like to shut down the glare a little by hanging up my Hawaiian shirt on the window here so it doesn't blade, overload us with background light. And now I want to start recording here. So I'm recording now with the 3 or 4 recording devices inside the camera. Let me review the 4 devices inside the computer. First of all, I have step recorder PSAR exe, which stands for problem step recorder, and several other videos. One is the MSN Recorder Max, which is a screen recorder, in contrast with 2 and 3, which are webcams. One is Webcam Max, using the Microsoft camera, and Cyber, what is it called? CyberLink UCam. So these are so far 4 recording devices, as I'm going to add a 5th one. Number 5 is going to be Loom, which is a cloud recorder, so if I lose the content on the local computer, that will be no problem. For that, I want to use another camera. Let's see which camera works. Here is a camera that works. I want to strap my face. First of all, I want to make it larger, and then I want to lower it so it captures my face for now. Later on, I may swivel it around for other targets. At this point, I want to start recording with Loom, full screen, and HD Pro. So I'm going to add my goggles. So the goggles I'm going to take is the broken goggles, so the beauty can use the goggles that work. So I'm putting it on. I'm turning additional light. Turn it on and wait for it to start working. And it's already starting to record. So I'm going to take a power bank, put my power bank on, extend the cable, take the power bank, drop it in my pocket, in my shirt pocket. Then I want to run it through my sweatband, inside and over, and then connect it to my goggles. This is the iView goggles, which is a video glass. Then put them back on and monitor that it is still working. So at this point, I've done everything and I'm ready to go. Here in the background, we have the most beautiful, which is always a challenge. So we are trying to check. Can you put some strap, please? Sweatband of some kind, thank you. In the meantime, I'm going to put on my hat. And this is a concept that I would like to go over. I'm putting on my hat, and I'd like to review the concept of a URL tail. What a URL tail is a URL that spells a domain name and a website. So in this particular case, you can see on my hat, there is a message embroidered, run .sco.info. And this is a URL tail. What does it mean? It means that it is a phone name that spells a phone number. So to make it easier to remember, you can, for people it is easier to remember vanity phone number, but more importantly, it also describes a business theme. In this case, run.sco.info tells you about this business, which is running a bot. stands for robot, software robot, and SEO stands for search engine optimization. .info, providing information about the search engine optimization. In other words, how to top the search engine results page. And that a vanity number and domain name extension translate to the numerical digits of the phone number, which is area code 786, 268, and 7364. So this is called the URL tail, or a URL that is also a telephone number. Okay? All right, at this point, I want to see whether I can refresh this Psar. I'm going to start by stopping it, and then I'll try to save it. Because I don't want it to get too large. So I'm going to press the save button, move my image away, take the previous file name from last time, and override the current file name on top of it. Right mouse click and paste. And now that I got the current file, I want to change it first of all from a text type of file to a zip type of file. So I'm going to put ZP instead of the period txt. It will be period ZP, and then backspace all the way to the beginning. Getting rid of everything in between. At this point, I'm ready to copy the Psar.txt path. Right mouse click and copy to the clipboard buffer, and then insert it at the first position of the file name field and paste it. All of that is to develop an algorithm for documenting what an individual is doing, like an audit trail. Now that I got it all listed, I have a prefix with a path, a backslash separator, and I'm copying the entire string into the clipboard buffer and then save it. Now that I saved it, I'm going to click review additional details and scroll up to see that was a total of 16 steps, which is more or less what I want, and I want to keep it less than 20 steps if possible. So to continue, I simply click new recording, and then add a comment with the previous file name, which I paste in the highlight area and comment dialog box of Psar.txt, and click OK. And then go back to my notepad and go edit, paste, and file save. So now I got it in my notepad also. At this point, I'm ready to check Beauty and to see if anything is working there. Did you put your lanyard on? What do you do with it? Can you take it, please? And where's your phone?
Right here. I'm just setting up the Zoom call.
Okay.
And I sent you the link to
Right.
Zoom. Okay. To DR and DRS.
So now we're going to check what the Beauty is doing here. Make sure that you copy to the... You just put it on for a second. I'm going to copy to
Copy what?
to run.
What are you talking? Did you?
Run MSN recorder. So I want to try, and then I want to record. I want to work full screen. Then I want to copy place the cursor on that. Control C to copy to the clipboard buffer. Then Click record to start recording. Now that it starts recording, I want to drag it a little bit to the right corner of the screen so you can see that it is working, but it doesn't overwhelm the screen. Then I want to put the note in my notepad here. So I'm going to open the notepad, go to the very top of it. It's fine, unless you don't want me to use this one.
Yeah, don't use that one.
You want me to start a new one?
Well, you can
It's
use that.
easier to use this one.
Okay,
and
so
it's-
use this. Use this one. Not a big
makes
deal.
it is a lot easier. So
Okay.
I'm going to paste it here, edit paste.
You have to put the date. Let me do the date stuff.
Don't worry about it. Why don't you put the phone and everything and start recording? I'll let you control it soon. Okay, I'll adjust the information that we have here. Just copy the file name again. Edit, copy. This is the previous file name, and now we're creating a new one for today's session. Edit, paste. Adjust the time. Today is the 26th. So make it 6. 2025, and the day of the week is Wednesday, so I put in capital W and lowercase e and period for Wednesday, and the time of the day is 11:53 a.m. 11:53 a.m. And then I delete the old time, which was 3:30. And now I'm ready to overwrite the old video file name with the new one. So I copy to the clipboard buffer, edit copy, then mark the old video file name and paste the new one on top.
And then do also.
Control V, and instead of exam review, we'll write VAPI.
VAPI demo. That's how I called the Zoom.
Okay, VAPI demo.
And then I sent you an email of the link to the Zoom.
VAPI demo, okay. And then I want to save it in the log subfolder. And then we will process it with the notebook LM to create a podcast. So, edit, copy, file, save as, Control V, then we'll copy the path of the log, Control C, and we'll insert it at the beginning of the file name, Control V with a backslash separator. Now, I want to copy to the clipboard buffer and save it. Then paste it at the top of the notepad. Edit paste. In addition to that, I want to turn on Pissar. I'm stepping on my foot.
Move it. Move your foot so I can see what's happening.
I turned on Pissar, problem step recorder, and I want to check
999. Check the
start
steps.
recording. Okay, doesn't let me, oh yes, let me check the settings.
You want to do 999.
And raise it from 25 to 999 and okay. Then start recording and immediately paste in, add in as a comment, the newly created file name from the log subfolder with today's topic. So Control V to paste and then enter to examine the path, which is okay. And now
Turn on.
we want to run Loom also. So we double click it, but with Loom we wouldn't use the camera because it is used already.
And you don't need so many close.
Right, so no camera, but we'll have
Start recording.
the recording without the camera. Okay, which you can then distribute without the camera. Okay, so now everything is working. Let's double check each other. Let me check you and you check me. Everything is working. Okay. Here she is, Miss America, in all her glory.
Okay, so why don't you get into Zoom?
So now you're the instructor and I'm the student.
Yeah, so you have to log in.
So I have to log in. So I'm going to navigate to Dr. ARush, right?
Yeah. Should be there too.
You see there are a few of them here. One of them already includes Dr. ARush.
It also has it in ARush too. Doesn't matter which one you use.
It doesn't matter,
No.
so I'll use ARush and that's it.
It says that first one where it says me.
Me?
Yeah.
Okay.
But take out the middle of your picture, put it to the side, make it smaller because you're
It's
blocking
okay,
the screen.
don't worry about
You're
it.
blocking the screen. Make it smaller.
Please.
You're the student. I'm giving you an instruction.
Miami, I want to join the Zoom.
Make it in another tab. You should do. That'll make it in another browser.
What's next?
You have to wait. Okay, that's fine. Now, what you want to do is you want to rename. So let me. Do you want me to teach you how to rename?
Yes, teach me as if I'm the student.
Go to your name there and right click. You see Sarah
Go
Rushenick?
to my name there. I'm looking for my name there.
You see Sarah Rushenick. You see a picture.
I see a picture. I see two pictures.
No,
Dr.
you don't.
Rush.
You see one video and one picture.
Oh, the image is still image. You mean?
Right, it's a picture.
Yes. Okay.
So
I see.
So the problem is when you
So
put on
what
the
do you
caption,
want me to do now? Talk to
on
me.
my
already,
name,
please.
you have to rename.
On the name, on your name, I have to rename. Let me make it full screen.
Make it. You see there. See, that's the problem.
Sarah Rushenick, what is your name? Sarah Rushenick?
Yeah.
So I want to click on it. What do I want to do?
You see on the very upper right hand corner, there's 3 dots.
On the upper right corner, there are 3 dots.
Yeah. Move your cursor to the upper right corner. You see?
Right there?
No, underneath where your picture is. Yeah,
right there.
Yeah.
Click on it?
Yeah, you see
okay.
rename?
Yes.
Click rename.
Click rename, okay.
And then put a name.
So ARush, what do you want me to name?
Yeah, A space Rush.
Or Dr. Zoom?
Whatever you want to call yourself. Like, call yourself something. Not Sarah Rushing.
So Dr. Zoom.
No, that's not good.
No?
No.
What's
Dr.
wrong
Zoom
with that?
or Way Zoom or something. But you don't have 3 names. Way Zoom. You have Way Zoom or Way Doctor. Or Zoom Doctor. Or
Dr. Zoom.
Okay, call yourself.
Okay?
Yeah.
Dr. Zoom, okay.
Okay.
Then click change?
Yeah.
Okay.
Did it change?
Yes.
Okay. Now put video so you can see your face.
So now I want to enable the video.
No, you just click on the video camera.
Okay. So now,
Right.
and audio I don't want to turn on?
No, not now. When you're ready to talk, you'll turn on your mic. But you want to take the picture off of my face. Your picture off of my face. It's not a good place to
Don't
put it.
worry about everything else.
You
Focus
asked me
on
to.
one thing at a time.
All right. Now that we're doing this, now I'm going to record to the, I'm going to start recording, okay?
Fine. Record. I'm going to save my Pixar, okay? While you are talking, I can do it silently without
We'll do it
camera.
silently, okay? Okay, recording to the cloud. Okay, welcome. This is a demonstration today of voice application program interface, a way to create a voice agent, and we'll review it within the hour. So we have an hour's time. Hopefully we can finish, and I have a participant here, Dr. Zoom, with me, and I'll call on him to help us go out of that. So I'm recording it as well, okay? And you want me to live stream?
Yes, please.
And you want me to live stream to YouTube? And you want me to use which account?
The same one that you always used.
It is training.
Yes.
I'm using the It is training account, and our demo meeting is called VAPI Demo. Do I want to call it that, or do I?
Yes.
Want
Keep it simple.
So that's what's going to be in Zoom as well, in my Zoom
Actually,
live.
if you are already there and you want to call it something else, would be
But
better.
Sada Hadani Lowatsa show him.
Call it USA Man Well.
Okay. Yeah. So
It
let me
means
change
nothing to most
it.
people.
Yeah. So let me call it that. You.
And I'll put it in the notes too.
I'll call it USA Mon. Should I put Manuel as 2 separate words? 3 separate words?
Like a phone number. USA dash, Man dash, and well.
Okay, put a dash in between.
Yeah, like a phone number.
Okay. Mon. Should I say demo 2 or no?
Yes.
So I'm calling it in the broadcast Zoom meeting to YouTube Live. I've changed the Zoom meeting title on YouTube to USA Manuel Demo. Okay? Is that all right?
Yes.
And now I'm going live. And now it's preparing my Zoom. Is basically trying to shake hands with YouTube. It's setting up the meeting for my YouTube Live. So it takes a while to connect from Zoom to a YouTube Live. And once it's there, I will take the URL of the YouTube Live and copy it to my notepad. Control V, and I copied it. And you can see on your end, you can see that we are recording on YouTube. And if you want to copy it, you can go to
Yeah,
YouTube.
can you instruct me how to go to YouTube?
Right there. You see that? Bring that down. And here, see, this session of this meeting is being sent to YouTube.
Fine. I want to see the URL. Click on the YouTube.
Yeah.
So open it up.
You see it.
Then I copy to the clipboard buffer.
You see it, it's working.
And I can even add a comment, I think, at this point. Top chat.
Let's move on. Because I'm finishing at 1 this seminar, and I don't want to.
Open up the notes. Garbage. I don't know how to close this. It's a hassle every time dealing with this Wave browser.
Do you want me to help you? Because I want you to be in Zoom.
Don't worry about it. You leave. All the time.
No,
Wave.
I tell you, I want you to be in Zoom. I want
go
you to
home and go wherever you want and don't do me a favor.
I want you to
don't
be.
raise hell all the
I want
time.
you to be in Zoom, not in
Fine.
YouTube.
I want to demonstrate putting a note. That's all. And then I want to put the URL also in the Psar, edit as a comment. Don't rush me and don't put pressure. Go away and.
So do you want me to stop recording on mine and add a comment to step recorder here?
No, it's enough. Step recorder.
Okay.
I do a very short one. You do a long one.
Okay, fine.
Because I don't want to overload you with things.
Okay, fine. I'm waiting for you.
And now I can minimize this. I know that it is working. I can minimize it, and I want to put the URL also in my notes.
Okay.
Oh, I have, yeah. Now I go to my notes file and put the edit, paste, and
I
enter.
know it's being organized.
File, save again. Okay, so what is the next step?
Okay, the next step, the question is, the next step, do you want me to do it?
No, I will do it and you tell me what to do. I have to go to VAPI, right?
Well, you first have to share your screen.
Okay,
You
so
want-
I have
you
to go
wanna-
to
you
share my
wanna-
screen.
Let me just make this clear before we start. You want to do it first time round, and then I'll do it second time round?
I want you to tell me what to do. This way, everything gets transcribed, you understand? And then when we use Notebook, it will have everything
Okay, fine. Okay, so.
repeated several times. So Notebook will get it, and
Okay,
anybody, and you'll have a beautiful
okay, fine.
outline with all the concepts.
And we can do it the
And then-
second time. Okay.
Second and third time, don't worry, don't
It
raise
doesn't have to
the
be perfect.
anxiety. No, it is all about reality, not perfection.
Okay, so share your screen.
So I want to share my screen,
Right.
and I want to get the entire screen,
Exactly.
and I want to select share. Is that okay?
That's perfect.
Okay, so I did that.
And it says Dr. Zoom has started sharing your screen. Okay, now I see your screen. Now you want to go to your browser.
And which browser do you want me to use?
I usually use Chrome because it works for me.
Fine,
I
I'll use
don't.
Chrome too, and then we can change it to another one, whatever you want for now.
Okay.
So here is Chrome.
And then it says this content is being sent to third party. Say OK on the very top there. You see the very top line? Here. You have a couple of top lines here. Say OK.
Yeah, you can use this if you like, from a distance, like this. Keep
Yeah.
in mind.
Yeah.
Okay, that's
Click here.
better, yes. Then you won't
Touch and
Touch
click
it.
here.
click on reclaim host on the X or what?
No, you don't have to reclaim the host.
No.
Oh, you can stay as co-host. That's fine. Turn up the volume. Want to turn up the not hearing anything? I don't think we.
Turn up the volume, but
No. Oh, you're not using your mic. No, we don't want to turn up the volume.
just reduce it. No, adjust it. Don't scream. So I reduced it to 12,
Perfect.
or a little less even.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so we can hear a little bit, but it doesn't create
Okay,
echoes.
your picture is in front of my face. Do you want it there?
No. This is very important to show the concept of vanity phone number.
Okay, but put it so it's not.
I
This is
want it to
perfect.
be in the
It's
middle. This is the whole point of what we are doing, is to explain the concept of vanity phone number, and also this example and another example that I'd like to put in my notepad that you just mentioned, and that is this USA, open parentheses, capital letters, USA, close parentheses,
Close paren.
MON,
M-O-N.
capital M-O-N, and then
Dash.
dash, and then well. And then explain that this is a vanity phone number that converts to digits in the following way. Open paren,
From the keypad, you would find it.
786,
No, it's not 786.
872, 666, 9355. And the most important thing, it represents a business theme, which is monitor or money monitor, which is money and monitor. And I'll make it in capital letters M-O-N, so people understand that that is the abbreviation. MON is the abbreviation of monitor and money. Can you repeat it, please? Sarah.
Dr. Rush.
Money monitor
And well.
and wellness. And file save. So the whole point is to explain, and I highlighted the concept of a vanity phone number that is called really a phone name, as opposed to the phone number. Okay, this is a phone name. Can you repeat it, please?
Isn't that a vanity phone name?
It is called a vanity phone name.
It's called vanity, not just a phone name. It's called a vanity phone number, not a vanity phone name.
Phone name. And then the vanity phone number is underneath it. Vanity phone name and vanity phone number. Now, one other version I will make is the version that
I need to correct you because you have named both places. You have to let me interrupt.
Yes, thank you.
So I have a question. You have to let me in.
Number. Okay. Now, the one that Google can understand and process, and that's important to note, is the combination. It cannot process the area codes properly. So when you feed it to Google or to any other processor like Google, you have to put the actual number. So it will be 872 Manuel.
So let me explain. When you call in a Google Voice or in any other type of mobile phone, you cannot use letters for the area code. It has to be digits. But the actual phone number outside of the area code can use letters, and Google or any of the other phone providers will do the conversion to digits.
That's right. Actually, the best would be to make it outbound call and demonstrate it, which I'm trying to do now, so everybody can see. I'm going to type it in this area here.
Enter a name or a
and notice
number.
that I entered 872 Man-Well.
And you didn't put a space between your right paren and your capital M.
No, what the processor does, it parses it, and it checks, is the area code a valid area code, 872, and the answer is yes. Then it looks at the next character, which is M, and it checks, it then converts it to the equivalent number.
So look at call as. If you look at the call as number, do you see that? Your call as, the line above your 87.
Yeah, that is something completely different.
No, but look at the format.
Yes, it doesn't matter. It
I
parses
know,
it.
so say spaces don't matter, but
And by the way, this is another vanity phone number which I'm going to list on the bottom here, just to explain the reverse. How do we take the number and convert it back to the vanity phone? In this case, it is call, C-A-L, close paren, space, second L, and babe, B-A for babe, then B-E dot A-I.
Then switch it, the cow, switch it to 225, and then call as.
So this account which is with more biz,
Has that number attached to it?
is linked to this call babe AI vanity phone number.
Right. So they don't match.
They don't match, that's right.
And
The reason being is because I transferred the number from Google Voice to AT&T because they are not reliable. And I cannot trust them that they won't yank it away from me.
But you need to know that your goal would be that this would all match, that you would have a number
Right.
then.
Yes. So let's make an outbound call and see if the AI will respond.
Okay.
And notice that it will go to this pane on the side here where you see now the previous number, 669-247-6736. It will list it as an outbound call.
Let's see if it works.
Okay, so now I'm going to click call and talk to the AI.
Let's see.
Which is a VAPI AI.
Let's see. Maybe make it louder so we can hear. I don't hear
All right,
anything.
yes.
Looking to boost the volume. It might vary depending on the device you're using. Are you working with a smart speaker, a TV, or a different type of smart device?
Yes, I boosted the volume already. How are you today?
Maybe make it louder so we can hear.
I'm glad to hear you boosted the volume. I'm here and feeling great. Thank you for asking. How can I help you further with your smartphone setup?
Explain to me what is a vanity phone number and how does it convert to digits? Reduce your volume.
Absolutely. A vanity phone number is a custom phone number that typically spells a word or phrase like 1800 flowers instead of just numbers. It's often easier to remember for marketing purposes. To convert a vanity number to digits, each letter corresponds to a specific number on the phone keypad. 2 equals sign ABC, 3 equals sign AEF, 4 equals sign GHI, 5 equals sign JKL, 6 equals sign M and O, 7 equals sign PQR, 8 equals sign TUV, 9 equals sign WXUV. For example, 1800 flowers would convert to 1. 800 flowers
You connect the power?
Yeah. Oh, no.
I can definitely help guide you if you're trying to connect the phone. Do you want to connect a device to your phone line? Or are you trying to set up something specific, such as a smart home phone?
Do you want to hang up?
Just let me know what you're looking to do.
Yes, I want to convert from a digit, from a name to a number.
Oh, YouTube. You should turn off the YouTube speaker. 'Cause
Fine,
it has
turn it
maybe-
off. I'll get this back again.
It sounds like you're quite busy. If you're looking to convert a name to digits for a vanity phone number, just provide me with a word or phrase, and I can help you convert it. No rush at all. Take your time, and I'm here when you're ready.
You have to find the YouTube. You understand?
Yes.
Thank you.
YouTube is playing in the background.
So
you
shut
have
it
to-
down.
I'm trying to find
don't want to
it.
use so much.
I know, but I'm trying to find it.
Just stop the AI.
Oh, stop the AI now?
Yeah, let me just finish the point. Where's the AI? Did you get rid of it already?
No, I don't know. I was
Let's
trying
get
to
that
look here.
sorted out, shall we? It sounds like you want to stop or disable the AI services or speaker responding to you. Could you let me know what device you're using, and I'll guide you through disabling it. Just let me know which one, and we'll sort it out together.
I don't know which email I use.
It sounds like you want to stop or disable the AI services or speaker responding to you. Could you let me know what device you're
It's
using,
here.
and I'll guide you through
This is
disabling
what you use.
No, it's not.
Oh, you use words more this, right?
That's right. That's not it.
I see you're feeling a bit frustrated, and I want to help.
You
It
need
sounds
to
like
say
you're trying
goodbye.
to turn something off, or
Should I just say goodbye?
No, I want to show the.
Where is it?
I understand. You want to point something out to me. While I can't see, I can certainly guide you if you give me more details about where you're looking or what you're seeing. Tell me more about it so we can figure it out.
No? Why not?
This is,
Just
oh,
garbage, right?
I apologize if I misunderstood you.
Inundating with garbage. Go
It seems
ahead.
like you might be referring to a setting or an event that happened at 12 o'clock. Could you clarify if you're trying to manage a time setting on a device or something else related?
here it is.
Okay. Look, I understand it. Let's finish the conversation now, okay? Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Absolutely. If you ever want to chat again or need...
Now find the YouTube and shut down the speaker of the YouTube.
Got it.
Understand it. Let's finish the conversation, okay? Bye.
It's all right. A simple goodbye. It sounds like you might be referring to a specific product or package.
Goodbye.
If you want to share more information...
Let's stop the conversation now.
Of course. Goodbye, and have a wonderful day.
Let's finish the conversation, okay? Bye.
A simple goodbye. It sounds like you might be referring to a specific product or package.
Okay, now it's YouTube. So find
Doesn't
YouTube.
matter. I want to show that it listed it as an outbound call. And
It doesn't. Oh, you have to do because you have to put your now it did. No, that's not it. Oh, it's February.
it didn't stop. That's why.
Right.
It just doesn't.
Goodbye.
Just doesn't
Goodbye.
stop.
If you need... Take care. If you need assistance in the future, feel free to reach out.
Didn't stop.
Now find the YouTube.
Hello again.
Goodbye.
It doesn't stop.
Right. You have to find it.
Bye. Bye-bye.
If you're... Bye-bye. Take care.
Please stop the conversation now. What's this one?
Thanks for reaching out to Smart Home Innovation. It was great assisting.
Okay, this is the one.
Okay. Now you have to find YouTube live.
No.
No, you do have to find YouTube
No.
live. Why not?
Please, be quiet, please.
Because it's
That's what I wanted to show.
yeah. But
So
could you have,
notice now,
no, you need to
the 872, it translated the number correctly. That's all.
no, but you want to shut down the YouTube so you don't have the YouTube in the background.
Fine,
You
so
can
go to the YouTube.
well,
You
fine.
don't know how to
No.
go there?
No, where did you put it?
YouTube is
No,
here
I know.
and here.
Yeah.
Notice now,
Turn it off here.
turn off the speaker, that's all.
No.
Done.
But you have different instances. You have different instances. What do you have in here?
Okay, Mom, stop. Okay, so what do you want now?
The other instance of YouTube, then you hear it going on, because then this one, click on it. Now. Shut it down, the audio. That's what I want. So whenever
I don't
you,
need two of them, also I
Right,
can close one
right,
completely,
right.
right?
and what you have to do, as soon as you check YouTube, you have to turn off the speaker. Now let me go back here.
It's
Oh.
not coming back yet. Why don't you continue there?
Okay.
In the meantime, I'll bring this back. Always next time connect the power right away.
Yeah. Okay. So, just so you know, your YouTube is playing in a wave browser. That's what was confusing. Did you hear me?
Yes.
What did I say?
My YouTube is playing in a web browser, and that was confusing.
Right. Because the rest of it in Zoom, when you share your screen, trying to escape. What I like to do is I don't want full screen. I want part screen so I can see what you're sharing. You understand
Yes.
how I like to set it up?
Yes.
What did I say?
You want part screen, you don't want full screen, so you can see.
I don't want the full screen of my Zoom or what I'm sharing, because then I lose track of what everything is, like we did before. And you're connecting again. Let me just see what. And it's important to put everybody as host and co-host. When somebody gets knocked off, it comes back on.
Yeah, you continue there.
What are you
Just
doing?
getting, I'm renewing the.
I'm
thing.
renewing everything.
Yeah,
Okay.
don't worry about it. When it's ready, I'll let
Will
you
you
know.
let me know? I'm just trying to get the screen that it
So
looks
get the screen the way you like it.
You
And
understand?
describe why and what.
Okay, the problem is when you have so many browsers up,
So close whatever you want.
I'm going to close whatever I want. And what I like to do is you have too many tabs open. I'm going to try to close a lot of your tabs, and you don't close after you use something, you never close it again. I can close this. And sometimes what you forget in Google Voice, by default, it gives you your saved email your saved voicemail messages. So when you try to see what number you called, are you listening?
Yes. Then what when you try to look what number you call?
You don't see it because you're in the voicemail rather than the outdoor. You have
the button on top.
right.
Oh.
And by default, it doesn't do that, so you kept on thinking you didn't make the call. You understand?
Yes.
I want to make sure that things are closed a little bit here because there's so many things open that it becomes confusing. Do you understand?
Yes.
And then you couldn't find anything that you did months ago. You still have it in this.
Try to avoid it because I'm in the middle of doing something. For example, I want to enable the phone call from Wix, and I'm in the middle of that. So if you can stop your campaign, that will be best.
Can you reduce your volume? Did you do everything and I can go back there? Okay. Can you reduce your volume, please?
You can control it yourself, it's fine. You can find the volume and stuff.
Where did you go?
I don't know, it doesn't, my fingers are too thick, I cannot reduce the volume, you know. Let's proceed already to VAPI,
I know, that's what I wanted to do.
because we will never finish with
I
this.
know. So who's sharing? Me or you?
I'm sharing now.
Okay. So let me do that.
I'm going to stop this on.
So you're sharing your screen, you're copying a file, and you're updating the file with the time, which is 12:35. And we started at 11:38. And you saved it as a zip file, a ZP file, the steps recorded. And the meeting is now streaming live on YouTube. And you're copying the stream, the file name. You're looking at the number.
295 steps.
295 steps. Now you're doing a new recording. Okay. And you're opening up another notepad.
And I'm pasting the PSR
And you're pasting
file
the
name.
PSR file name under WizMoreBiz.
Paste. And
And then
file.
save. Okay, now what do you do?
So now I want to go to VAPI.
So now you
AI.
okay. So you want to do it in that in this browser that's open right now, so you can find it. Just open up another tab.
Dot
Vappy.ai.
AI.
Is that an AI? Is that the last character an I?
Copy to the clipboard buffer. Copy. And then go to the inbox.
Why the inbox?
I want to go to
Why not go
see
to a
who
new
is,
tab?
who is logged in here.
Okay, there are a couple of different ones logged in.
This one is demolab.biz. This is what you have done last time, no? Have you done that, demolab.biz?
I have to check in my notes.
In your memory, can you try?
I have to check in my notes. I made a note for myself. I made a note for myself. I thought it was org.
Org?
I thought it was. I have to check. I made a note.
It doesn't matter. I log into it.
Why don't you log into yours?
Okay. I'm going to paste it at the top here. Paste and enter. And paste it in the comment also. In the SAR and enter. Okay, so now we want to demonstrate.
So you went into enterprise ready voice agents.
Right.
And then you want to log in or what? What
I
do you
want to
do?
create another login like for the students to do.
So you don't want to try on your other account. You want to create a brand new account.
Yes.
Okay, is that what you want to do, or you
Yes.
want to show what you have already
No.
and add another number? You want to do
I
a
want
brand
to
new?
teach them how to create a new account, so they all make a new account.
Okay, all right.
So tell me what to do then, if you know.
I know, but you're gonna have to make that. You're gonna have to make that bigger. Maximize the screen.
Like this?
Yes,
Okay.
so I can see what you. And let me go to my view and let me make my view full screen too. Okay, so I see full screen in here. So now open Talk to Vappy. So maybe in this case open on the upper right, is it open dashboard? Or
Okay.
sign up. Contact sales sign up.
Where you sign up?
You see where it says in green in the middle, contact sales?
Yes, sign up. Yes, I want to sign up.
So I guess you want to sign up first.
So I click on sign up, okay?
Right. Click on it. See if something happens. Does something happen?
Yes.
What happened?
I'm waiting for it to render. Now
Okay, yes, good. What happened? I'm waiting for it to render.
I'm going to use a Google account.
Well, okay, so now you want to say, I want to sign in. So you want to sign
So
in with a Google,
Sign in.
with a Google
Now I
account.
want to choose an account.
Right. So which account?
You want to use it is training or it is trainee since you're using it for the class already? Or job forensic or WizMoBiz
Well, since you're showing it, I'd rather you not touch mine.
or
and you use it.
Dr. Zoom AI.
Do you have have you used that yet?
Or we can show another one.
Oh,
Use
fine.
another one.
Why don't we have already what we have already available here? So let's do either for job forensic, or you can do way Dr. Zoom AI, I think. Which one do you want?
Dr. Zoom AI. So
Okay,
you can call me
here's 'cause
Dr. Zoom and that goes
it,
well.
It goes well. Okay, let's
Okay.
try that, yeah.
Okay, so Dr. Zoom then. Oh, the problem is that I will have to log into it anyways. Continue.
Yeah. You want to do that now? Go into Dr. Zoom?
No, it doesn't matter. It may not be necessary. We'll see. Continue.
Okay.
Okay. Dr. Zoom AI.
Okay. Let's see, what does it say? Loading. Get started, no?
Get started.
Remove the steps recorder so we can see
Get
the
started now? What do you want now? Forget about garbage.
No, that steps recorder
What
is
do
out
you
of the
want
way.
next?
Move that all the way up. Why do you have two of them?
What do you want next?
Okay, I'm gonna look. Track how your assistants are performing, much you're spending more. Looks like there are no metrics here. Create an assistant to start seeing your metrics.
Why not get started?
That's what I said. Get started.
You want me to click on it?
Yes, I think so.
So I'm going to click on the green button that says get started.
Right.
And it loaded it.
Okay, so already it's Mary's Dental. I don't want Mary's Dental.
What do you want?
I
You're
want
the instructor.
right. Go to assistants on the left-hand side.
The assistants on the
Oh,
left-hand
create
side.
assistant. You see down on the very top?
Yes, here.
No, yeah.
Here?
Yeah. Let's see
Okay.
what happens.
You want me to click on it?
Yeah, click on it. Or there's a one on the very
Oh,
top
God,
here.
no.
Model. See here. You see here where it says create assistants. Maybe it's here. I'm not sure. You see here, create assistant.
Yes. So you want me to?
Click on that.
Okay, I clicked on it. Create assistant.
Okay.
Next.
Move your picture, and move move the steps recorded that it's not right in the middle there. Okay. So in this case, we want here's a few steps to get you started. You can create your own and use it. So under assistant name, you see under assistant name?
See, assistant name, yes. New
Click.
assistant.
Yeah, click it. See if you
It's
can.
grayed out.
Okay, so
Okay, new assistant, yes. So what would you like now?
okay, so this can be adjusted at any time after create. Okay, so you call it a new assistant. Keep it as is, or do you want to assistant name? You want to call it new assistant, or you want to call it Dr. Zoom?
Whatever you want the students to
I'm
do. Tell me, what do you like the students to do? I
I'm
don't
not
know.
sure. This is the first
So-
time I'd like to discuss it with
So
you.
just leave it at new assistant, but we'll make it no space in the middle so we know that it's ours.
Okay,
That's it.
Okay.
One backspace and done,
okay. Now, what I want to choose under template,
right?
it says blank template. This blank template it's a starting point for creating your customer assistant. I want to do a quick start. So I either want to do customer support or inbound Q&A. Do you see that on there?
Yes. Which one would you like to
Well,
choose?
let me read first. A
Please
versatile
take your time.
template designed with a perfect mix of emotional intelligence, ideal for empathetic, efficient customer support. What is going on here?
I'm just restarting to start. Don't worry about me.
Inbound Q&A and an inbound call agent example designed to provide comprehensive support to smart home innovations with a deep understanding of product details and troubleshooting. So I'll start more generic of customer support. So you're copying the field, you're creating another version.
And I'm pasting it in the current version, the old file name. Then I'm pasting it in my notes after VAPI AI.
So many things it's hard to follow.
And then file save. And go back to the selection
Of what?
what you want.
Okay. So I want customer support.
Customer support. So I click on customer support,
Right.
which is right there.
Now click on it. Okay,
It
now.
marks it with a great frame.
Okay, mark
A
it.
green frame, excuse me.
Okay, now go down. I don't know what else is there.
It takes time, that's all.
No, you have to
Okay.
expand it all the way, the browser, so I can see full what you have in there. Create an assistant, pre-configure. Can you go down any further?
Create an assistant.
You see, now create an
So I
assistant.
click create an assistant, the green button on the bottom.
Yes. Bottom lower corner, lower
I
left.
get the hourglass and I have a new assistant.
Okay. there's
Eva,
Ava. Okay.
fine.
So we have Ava here. And now we have to go to Ava. We have the assistant ID. So they give you a name. You have the cost, the latency. And at this point, it asks you, this section allows you to configure your model. So if you can go down to, that's your system prompt. And can you move on the right hand side? I see your big picture there. I can't see what's behind it. Okay, so here it says the provider is OpenAI, so you can choose your model. And it by default it's GPT 4o mini. You can select a knowledge base. It has a temperature, your maximum tokens, and it can detect emotion. I'm just going to leave everything the same. Do you want to make any changes?
No, let me just review it. It is OpenAI.
Yeah.
Model is GPT-4o mini.
Right. There's no knowledge base.
No knowledge base.
The temperature is
Temperature is the default, and
Right.
max token is 250.
Right.
Detect emotion. Yes or no?
I left it by default
Okay,
off
fine.
for right
So
now.
what would you like me to do next?
Now on the left-hand corner,
Way Dr. Zoom.
no, the left, has nothing to do with way down. I said the left pane under assistance, click on phone numbers.
Under Assistant, click on phone numbers. Okay. Create a phone number.
So before you create a phone number, I think it's good that you go into that dial ABC first, or go into a tab, move that part on the top so you have a tab of how are you going to know what those numbers are.
What the numbers mean,
Yeah.
you understand.
Yeah.
Okay.
So open up in that same, don't change browsers. Keep the same browser.
No, it's better to change.
Well,
Because this way, you don't have to worry about searching for it anymore. You understand?
okay.
It's always open. Dial ABC.
I don't see what you're writing. Because your step
I
recorders.
just told you, dial ABC.
I know, but your cursor, your steps recorder is in the way. You don't see what you're typing.
I'm telling you what I'm typing.
It doesn't matter. The reason you're sharing your
Dial
screen is to
ABC.
see. You want to change your step recorder.
Dial ABC. Okay? I entered dialabc.com and
Okay.
pressed enter.
Okay.
And then I want to select words.
Okay.
And then I want to make it smaller,
Make what smaller?
the window, so I can just type in the new name
When you get it.
when I get it.
You understand why I want you to create that first?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Create a phone number. Can we proceed?
Yes.
So I click create a phone number. And then I want to,
So here it is. Limited. VAPI is limited. So let me read this for a minute. Can I read this?
please read it.
VAPI phone numbers are free of charge and limited to 10 numbers per wallet. Functionality create backing number is only available for the U.S. For phone numbers from other regions, please use the import phone number feature. Okay, so here's the free, and you can see on the tabs you have a free VAPI number. You see that? You want to point to it? You have import Twilio and import Vonage. So in this case,
Yes.
you have a free VAPI, and they said example 415, 510, and 310. So what do you want to use as an area code?
USA, so I put 872.
Okay, so we're going to start with the 872 area code.
Right.
And now, what do you do?
Now I can copy to the clipboard buffer just to demonstrate it. Copy it, then go to
Go to where?
dial ABC, paste it in the window
Okay.
to see what it means.
Mm-hmm.
And then I click find words, and you can see
That USA or USC?
USA or USC. So now I want to proceed with that and see what numbers they have available.
Okay, so
So I
just say
click create,
You get a choice.
and here is the number 118, which I don't really like because it has the digit white 1 in it.
Okay, so you don't get a list to choose from.
No, never.
Okay, I'm just letting you know.
But I can take it and let's see what it means.
Right.
I know the first one already, what it means, so I
USA.
want to see the rest. Copy, and go to my, and paste it in here.
Yeah. The rest of it.
Control V, close the space in the middle, backspace.
Okay.
And now
Go down.
I'm going to make it full screen
No, don't make us.
and click Tran Tam
Find
Taminat,
words.
find words.
Okay.
So it is
Hi.
high, get, 1-8. What does 1-8, what can 1-8 mean? 1 T, 1 U, and 1 V.
The U is not bad. 1 U.
Like one university.
Right.
So let's say
USA.
high, get, 1 U.
I get 1
Or
U.
gig,
Gig. Get.
or gift. I gift, 1 U.
Where's your I gift?
It is fewer words, so I gift, 1 U. That's good.
Oh.
So
Hi.
I gift, 1 U. Okay? Alright, so now I go back
Okay. Let's say we want this.
and I can still cancel it, so I'm going
You
to
can?
keep it, yes.
How do you cancel it?
You cannot cancel it, so we might as well take it and just interpret it and write it in the notes.
Okay, so
I
it
gift
says
1 U.
activating. Activating. It's going to activate in 26 seconds. Is that the
Yes.
idea?
Yes.
Okay, so put it in the number.
So
Put in the whole number.
I gift, gift 1 U.
And then it's USA. Why don't you copy the phone number? 872. Copy the whole number.
Copy to the clipboard
Yeah.
buffer and paste it on top. So it will be open paren, USA, close paren, I give, I gift 1 U. Okay, and now we'll make another version so we can call it out if it works. The next version will be the version that is a combination hybrid. So I replace the USA with 872. 872.
We got to make sure that we end it. We have to. I want to make sure the assistants are set.
Fine.
So this says inbound call. Let's check. Oh, select assistant. This is where we missed it.
Okay,
right
so what
here.
will be the next step?
After you got the check mark here, inbound settings. Put the word inbound settings. That's the key.
Put the word in where?
In your notepad.
Okay.
Inbound settings. Put it after VAPI AI.
Bound
Settings.
Yes.
And enter. And then put inbound number.
An inbound number. So I copy it. I'll segregate it.
And it has a check mark. You see to the right it has a green check mark. An inbound
Emphasize
number.
it with braces open and close. So that is very important.
But what's more important, you see how it has checked right there, a green check after inbound
Yes,
phone
this
number?
check here.
You're right. Now go to the next one. You see where the next, go down one line?
Select the system.
That's where we missed off.
Okay, so
So
what
you
now?
have to select this thing, so click on it.
I clicked on it.
So do Ava, because we don't want Mary's Dental.
Okay, Ava.
Yeah.
So
Click
this
it.
is the Ava.
Okay.
We want to do Ava.
Right, and you can copy it if you wanted as a
Why?
URL, but no, you unchecked it. You see how you went and unchecked it?
Yeah,
Right.
now
Now
Ava.
there you go. Now you can try it and try that number.
Okay.
Now go to your a Google Voice and try dialing
Okay, so now I want to go and make an outbound call. And I'd like to leave it here intact, but oh, remember it's here, okay, in the upper right corner.
that. Okay. Okay, now enter the number and call. Should be able. Somehow your speaker's not working. Let me try.
We are waiting to listen.
Yes, I'm here. How can I help you today? If you have any questions or need assistance with a specific scenario, feel free to share.
Ask a
Yes,
question.
tell me about the vanity number. I have a vanity number that spells the words USA gift 1U.
That sounds like a creative
I give.
vanity
I
number.
give. It's not give.
That sounds like a creative vanity number.
No, excuse me, I made the mistake.
Designed to be-
I made the mistake.
No problem.
The correct number
Not at all.
is USA I gift 1U.
Thank you for clarifying. So, your vanity number is USA. I get one you vanity number.
I gift. No, it's not I get, it's I gift. Gift, like gift, giving a gift to somebody.
Thank you for clarifying. So your vanity number is USA. I get gift one you. That's a lovely way to convey the message of giving. Do you have any specific questions or anything else you would like to discuss about your vanity number?
Yes, help me figure out what are the digits that USA I gift 1U represents. Convert the phone name to the phone number.
Sure. To convert your vanity number USA, I get gift one U to digits on a phone keypad. You can follow the snapping. U8, 4, E3, key space, 0, J4, E3, 4, E3, DT8, space, 0, J4, I4, E3, G, A3, E för designed och designed form. Samt till mig tycker vad du sa att det är långt av. Jag ser det och det ska vara P. Ska jag ju faktiskt att jag är för håll i ganska to say I get the bar that you're going to take substitute just beside. Okay, let me know. So you have
Okay, thank you. That's good enough. Thank you very much. Goodbye.
You're welcome.
And now notice that it is writing the number up top here.
Where?
Right here in the upper left corner, you can see the number. It converted it 872-444-3818.
In the Google Voice.
Yes, and now we'll do another one to demonstrate
Do another what?
another area code. So I want to go back to VAPI.
I want to stop now. Since we did one, it worked. I don't
Let
want
me
to.
do one more so they can understand that you have up to 10.
Okay. so do one
So I
more.
want to create another phone number,
Okay.
but this time I want to use
What?
I don't like the USA because it has the number 1 in it.
Where's
Another-
that number one in it? USA doesn't. Oh, I mean the previous number when you got 872, they gave you the digit number 1.
Right, I don't want to have
A digit.
digits, I want to have only letters. So let me try another one,
Another
area code,
Which
SPY. Okay,
Which is what?
so SPY, I'll write it down in my notes here. SPY
Yeah.
is SPY,
Yeah.
and then equivalent of that is 779. So that is the area code.
Okay, so put in the area code 779.
So let's see if it is available.
Right.
Or let's try another one that I don't think is available. RUN. RUN.
786.
RUN, which stands for 786. 786. So I copy it from the note, edit copy, and paste it into the area code. Instead of 872,
786.
paste 786 and create. And they said the area code is currently not available.
Okay, so try SPY.
So try SPY. And then I'll try 732, which is security, like SEC.
So which one?
But it's always better to have a complete word, like SPY, away, not a fraction of a word like SEC.
And
So I type in 7, 7, 9, 9, and then create and see what it gives me. And that is not good also, it has 0 in it.
Now can you get rid of it now? Can you, what happens if you press activate?
Nothing,
Did you try?
yes. I can delete it
Just
and then
delete it.
just try another one.
Delete it.
So let's say that I don't like it,
Delete it.
I delete it. And are you sure? Yes, delete. And now I will try SEC.
Yeah.
So you removed it, you see it's no
Yeah,
longer
yeah.
there. And so now I get another one, create another phone number. This time I'm going to use the SEC abbreviation. Oh,
Which is?
I like fun. Fun is complete word, not abbreviation. Fun is 3, F is 3, U is 8, and N is 6. So 8, 3, and 3, 8, 6. Let's see if this one is available.
Can you lower your speaker?
And it's not available. So let's try another one that is good, is way. So that, oh, with 9, 4, 9. And create. So with 1, 5. One large language model. So let's take all of that and see what it means. I copy it to the clipboard buffer. Repeat it, please.
You copy to the clipboard buffer. It has a 1 in it.
Yes. And now I open up.
And then you want to put that phone number in.
And I type in the new number. Control V. Then I have to remove the spaces and braces and everything else. And then click find word. Repeat it.
Find word.
So Y or whiz, which is great. Okay.
Whiz. I like whiz.
Okay. Log. That is very good.
Which one?
Log. We're making a log with audit trail.
Right. And what's the first one you want to use? Whiz?
And 1, 5 will be one job or something like that. Okay, so I can copy
What do you want to call it now? Whiz?
to my notes
What's that AI? Is that AI?
There is no AI.
What does that say?
So it is just paste the
Why?
number. Paste the number, and then return, open parentheses, and then the abbreviation of it will be whiz, like wizard. Repeat it.
WIZ. Open paren, close
And then
paren.
OK,
Okay.
OK, with OK, log. Log 1 LM, language model. Okay? File, save. And then we'll make another one that is a combination so we can test it and see if it works.
Right. Copy. And then put it in. Okay.
No.
And just use the area code 949. Change the width to 949. Okay.
Okay, so now I got a complete number,
Yeah.
but I have to remove the overspell.
Yes.
So just keep it like 1L and that's it.
No. There's missing. OG.
Copy to the clipboard buffer. And now I want to make another outbound call.
And did you assign
So
that?
I go
You didn't select assistant. You did the same problem. You didn't
What do you want me
select.
to do? Please tell
I
me.
told you 3 times. You see here when you have an
Select
assistant,
assistant.
you have to select one.
Eva. What else?
That's it. Now you can make it.
Now I can make an outbound call.
Yes. But you can't do it unless you have that as an assistant.
So I'm pasting it.
Now call.
Click call.
This is Ava.
Yeah.
How may I assist you today?
Tell me how I convert a vanity number or a vanity name to the numerical values.
It looks like there might be some confusion in your message. Could you please clarify what you're asking about?
Yes.
Are you looking for information related to identity numbers, event dates, or something else?
Yes, I have a vanity number, area code 949, OK, log 1L. Convert it to digits.
Specific information.
Please.
It seems like there might be some details missing from your message. Could you please clarify what you're looking for
She
regarding
has this feedback. She doesn't hear well.
Are you asking about
You have
specific
to lower
numbers or
your.
information
You have to
related to
lower
Why
your
don't you
speaker.
talk to me?
Ava, you hear me?
Yes, I'm here.
Please convert.
How can I? Of course. Could you please specify what you would like me to convert? For example, are you looking to convert numbers, units, or something else?
I'm trying to convert 949
No problem.
OKL OG 1L. Please convert that to digits on a keypad phone.
Got it. On a standard phone keypad, the letters correspond to the following digits. K equals sign 5. L equals sign 5. O equals sign 5. O equals sign 5. O equals sign 1. L equals sign 1. L equals sign 5. So, KLOG, one letter, will convert to a speech. If you
Thank you. Bye.
Now explain how it, what number it is.
I need to go now. It's too
You
late
go,
now.
so what do you
I'm
need?
going to.
Let
I'm
me
go-
just save the file. I'm in the middle of to start saving it. Please calm down.
I'm going to save the file. This is an hour and a half.
Copy. Save. Review additional details. I put 64. Maybe comment. Enter. Okay. And put it in my notepad. Edit. Paste. File. Save. So now we can wrap it over.
Yes. Okay. So right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop my step recorder.